In this video, I'll be showing you how to blur the face of a person in any video. Just the face only, while other parts are not blurred. Something like this. You can see that the face of this woman here is blurred. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So let's get started. Open your Play Store or Apple Store. Search for CapCut and download it. I already have it installed. So when you install CapCut, you open your CapCut app. Click on New Project to select the video that you want to blur his face. So I will select this video and I'll click on Add. We'll be blurring the face of this woman here. So how this is going to happen is that wherever this lady goes in this video, her face will be blurred. Alright? So let's get started. You have imported the video. Click on Effects. Click on Body Effects. Search for Mosaic. Now you can see that we have this face mosaic. This is a kind of blur effect that covers the face. We have another one, partial blur, that covers the face. We have partial distortion. You can select any one you want. So I'll be selecting face mosaic. So you tap on it, you can see that the face has been blurred. You can see this blurry effect covering the face. You can tap adjust to increase the blurriness if you want. It is also important to know that you have to have internet connection for this to work on CapCut. Then you click this good icon. You can stretch this blurriness to the end of the video. So that means wherever the face appears is going to be blurred. So you can see that the face has been blurred. So wherever her face appears, it will be blurred. So this is how to blur a face in any video. Simply go to Effects, click on Body Effects, then search for Mosaic. So you can now select either face mosaic, partial mosaic, or partial distortion. So this covers the face. So this is how you can achieve this using CapCut. Remember to have your internet connection on. So when you are done, you can click on Export to export the video into your phone and use it for any purpose that you want. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment. Thank you.